project manager or soon to be project manager and you're looking for a breakdown of project management basics, well, I definitely have it for you. Project management is as much of a science as an art, and understanding the basics is going to help you be successful. And if you want to be a project manager ninja, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you how you can get your hands on why projects fail. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. For more videos on how to excel your career and slay your projects, hit that subscribe button and a new video is going to be given to you every Wednesday. There are some basics to project management that you can simply not go without. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what those top 5 things are. Understand project terms. Okay, if you're a seasoned professional, you know that there's tons of terms out there, but if you're relatively new, it's going to be really important that you understand these terms of project management. There's things like scope creep and goal plating and stakeholder and sponsor. What does this all mean? Don't worry, I have a really great video that you can check out that's going to give you all these types of terminologies. But it's really important that you understand the talk of project management. So definitely brush up on project terminology. Know the 5 phases of project management. Yes, there are phases to project management, and it is really important that you know them. In fact, if you go to PMI.org, where those of us who are PMPs, where we go to in order to get all our information and get our designation, it will give you detailed information. But those things are like initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. And every single stage has something very specific, templates associated with it, etc. Things that you need to know. Now, don't worry, I actually have a course that you can go to in the link below that actually gives you all that detailed information along with templates. So you are covered, whether it's with my course, PMI, or even just go on the internet, but know those 5 phases. It's all about planning. Yeah, a project manager is about putting the plan in place. Yes, you do it with your team, but you have to set the tone, the stage, so you have to have your goals, your objectives, your scope statements, and then with the team, you can get that plan in place. You also have to take a look at scheduling, all that fun stuff that is going to help you be successful in the project. So plan, and if you haven't planned enough, plan again. And if you think you planned enough, don't worry, do some more planning because your whole life cycle of a project is all about that. Planning, rearranging it, being agile enough to ensure that you can get ultimately to your end goal successfully. Having all the right documents. Okay, so another project management basic is just that. Not only do you have to plan everything, but you need the documents to support that. So as I said earlier on with those stages, there's templates in every stages. 9 times out of 10, people create their own, but it's really important that you have the right one. So when you're in the initiation stage, you need to have that charter template. You need to make sure you have that scope template. Whenever you're planning and you're doing scheduling, you need to have some sort of calendar format, Gantt chart, etc. So having the right documentation is going to set you up for success. Not only because for you as a project manager, but for your teammates. They need to have everything at their fingertips. Your team are subject matter experts, and it's your job to ensure that they're successful so that you can ensure that the project scope is met within the timeline and within budget. Ask for help. Whoa, what do you mean, Adrienne? I'm a project manager. I shouldn't be asking for help. Yes, you should be asking for help. There are going to be things on the project that you may just not know, like business cases, why things were done. You may need additional budgets and approvals. That all being said, you're going to need some generic help within your project from your sponsors, from your stakeholders, from steering committee members. But not only that, you may also want to consider having a mentor because you're going to have some challenges within a project. There may be some politics and some people challenges, and it's really nice to go to someone whom you can trust, who understands your culture, or at least has experience with project management that can give you great insight. And guess what? By the way, AKA Adriana Girdler, you have a mentor in me. So please send me your questions. I'm here to help you. Project management rocks, and I want you to be really successful by understanding these basics. Now that you're ready to master the basics of project management, grab my cheat sheet right here on why projects failed. It's really important you understand this because if you're learning the basics, these are other things that are definitely going to pop up. And if you get it, it's going to help you be great at what you do. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with all the professionals that you know. Now, let me know which project management basics are you really going to focus your attention on. Please write it in the comments below. Until the next video, see you later.